Welcome to day 3 of a video or vlog every day in April. Let's get it started. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I have a few errands to run. And I thought on this third day of Veda, I would take you along with me. I have some company coming, so I need to pick up a new set of pillows, a new set of pillowcases, and I want to get some greenery for the kitchen. In case you saw my spring kitchen tour, I did point out an empty basket that I did want to fill, so let's take care of that today. But first, I have to get gas. Something so mundane as gas. And gas is up to $2.61 a gallon. Oh my goodness. But what can I say? It's gotta be done. So let's get to pumping. My car must have been bone dry. It took 14 gallons. I hate stopping for gas, but it's one of those things you have to do. I only have to actually stop about once every couple of weeks, so this is my time, and this fill up should last me for a bit. So now let's get our day started. So I'm at Hobby Lobby, so let's go in and see what I can find. Now remember, I am looking for greenery for the kitchen, so Denise, don't get distracted. Favorite places to shop. Okay, I already see some things that I'm loving that's not on my list. Ooh, I don't know why I'm so loving farmhouse right now, but I've just seen some really cute things. Like these little mugs here are adorable. Okay, let's get to where I'm supposed to be looking. Oh, and floral arrangements are 50% off today. So that's pretty good. So let's hope what I'm looking for is one of those things. Oh, these are cute. It's a little big though for what I'm thinking. They've got smaller ones back here. So let's take a look at these. Now, I've already got one of these, but I'm wondering what it would be like if I bought another one and just took them out of this holder. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they're little herb plants. Oh, I see. It comes as a set. All 4 of them come together. Those are really cute. I would love them individually, but parsley, rosemary, spearmint, and sage. But they are 50% off, I believe. This one's really cute too. Those are flowers, and I'm not really looking at flowers. This succulent is pretty though. This is pretty too. Oh, they've got like a lamb's ear in it. Like a little lamb's ear, and then a peony and a rose. Oh, this is adorable. These are cute. They're flowers, and it wasn't exactly what I had in mind, but they would look nice in that basket. Now, I like the way they've got this greenery tucked in among these pictures. And here's one right here on the end. And it is cute. I think it will look cute in that basket that I've got too. So, let's put this in. We'll just kind of put it in here and we'll think about it. Now I'm liking the looks of those right there. What do they look like? Oh, look at that. It's so full, and I'm thinking it would look great in that basket. How much is it? Let's see how much it is. It's $30, but it's 50% off, so it'd be $15 and would completely fill that basket. I think I'm going to try this. Because see how it is right there? It'll just fit right down into that basket. So I'm going to get that. And I'll take these two as well, just to see how they're looking. And I'll decide which one I'm going to keep, and then I can bring the other back. So this is it. Let us head for checkout. Oh, that's cute. Always kiss the cook. I like that. Then again, maybe it depends on who's doing the kissing. You can always find a 50% off or 40% off coupon online and download it digitally on the phone. But I think everything I've got's on sale. So
thank you.
Thank you. So back to the car, and then we can head over to Walmart for the pillows. Where do you have pillows? Like bed pillows?
Bed pillows? Right in here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, here they are, whole bunches of them. I don't need anything super fancy or super expensive. Super firm. I think this will do the trick. 2 of those, $7.96. Now let's find pillowcases. And we'll be done here. Except I wouldn't mind getting some ice cream. I might get some of that while I'm here. I think these are fine. Let's go. Our job here is done. Let's head for checkout. So I got my pillows and I'm in checkout, and I will be headed home. I also picked up some ice cream too. So that is it. I will be putting my goodies in the car and headed for. So I'm home, and now I need to get these groceries put away, the ice cream, and I'm going to try out that plant in my basket, and then I need to cook dinner. I've got a London broil that I'm going to try to cook. It looks great. I am really pleased with the way that looks. So that's the one I'm keeping, and the other 2 are going back. So now let's get dinner started. Well, it turns out the London broil takes 2 hours to marinate and then just 10 minutes to cook. I don't have 2 hours to marinate, so I'm going to put it in the marinade, let it marinate overnight. But in the meantime, I'm going to make spaghetti. And I thought, well, why don't I try to do that 15-minute dinner thing to see if that will work. So let's get it going. Plan B, there's ham in the fridge. My husband says, let's have that. We've got mac and cheese in the fridge, which I already made. And we've got some ham, which all we have to do is heat up. And I just thought I do have some sweet potatoes in there. So let's get that out. And this will go back in the freezer. So yeah. And I've got a new book on CD. I'm listening to Jude Devereaux, The Summer House. It is really good. And there's a book too. So there's a return to the Summer House after this one. So I'll be checking that one out too. Oh, it's already sliced. Pre-cooked, already sliced. All I gotta do is heat it up. And I've got a dish of mac and cheese that I made. I'll just take some out and put it in a smaller dish and nuke it as well. No point in heating up the whole thing. This is definitely a 15-minute meal. I don't think it's quite what she had in mind though. So I can't count it. Maybe I'll try my 15-minute meal tomorrow. So I've got our dinner done. We're going to sit down and enjoy our meal, and I'm signing off for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Veda.